How to find archived text messages on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to do so, you may just follow up the steps. So open up the Android messaging application, any of the messaging application, for example, Google Messages or your even default messaging application. And once you are there, you should be finding all of your messages on your home screen. So if you'd like to archive and chat, you usually long press on the chat or message that you would like to archive, and you can tap on the archive option in the top right corner once selected. If you would like to undo it, you can tap on undo, and this is one of the method you can find archived, like unarchive the text message. Or if you would like to find the archived text messages, what you may do is head over to your profile in the top right corner, tap on it, and from there look out for the option called archived and open it up, and from there you'll be finding your archived messages here. So what you can do is you can just head over and view all of the archived messages here. If you would like to unarchive those messages, long press on it and you can look out for this unarchive option at the top, tap on it, and once you do, the conversation will be unarchived again on your device. And that is it. So this is how you basically find your archived text messages on Android. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.